Are you ready to produce more? If you're a cabinet manufacturer, a millwork professional, or a production manager, let me ask you something. How much time are you losing every day? What would it mean for your shop if one operator could handle your entire nesting workflow? How many more sheets could you process if your cycle time was cut in half? With the high-speed nesting solutions from Anderson, fully nested sheets can be completed in under 3 minutes. Yes, under 3 minutes. This isn't just faster, it's a production shift. Imagine a workflow where labeling, loading, machining, and unloading happens seamlessly, all handled by a single operator. No bottlenecks, no wasted movement, no unnecessary labor costs. Just smooth, optimized, high-speed production. If you're serious about scaling your operation, it's time to upgrade with Anderson. You deserve it. Akhurst Machinery. Do more for your business.